Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to check SSC Exam City Intimation. First, navigate to your specific SSC regional website. This is crucial for accessing the correct information. Once there, look for the Admit Card or Status section, usually prominent on the home page. Then, click on the link related to the Phase 13 Exam City Intimation. This will guide you to the next step in verifying your exam details. Make sure you have your registration number ready. After clicking the link, you will be prompted to enter your login credentials. Carefully input your registration number and your date of birth in the specified format. It's important to double-check these details for accuracy. Next, you'll need to complete the security CAPTCHA to prove you are not a robot. Finally, click the Submit button to proceed. Your Exam City Intimation will then be displayed on the screen, showing your assigned location. Once your city intimation appears, carefully note down your assigned exam city and the scheduled date. Remember, this document is solely for informing you about your exam location and date, not your final admit card. The actual admit card, containing your roll number and exact venue, will be released approximately 7 to 10 days before the examination. Keep an eye on the official website for further updates regarding its release. It is crucial to regularly visit the official SSC regional website for any new announcements or changes. Do not forget to download and print your admit card as soon as it becomes available, as it is mandatory for entry into the examination hall. Also, for those who love to read, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Prepare thoroughly and good luck with your SSC Phase 13 examination.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.